Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to transfer all contacts from iPhone to Android using AirDrop. Let's have a look. For this video, here I am using iPhone 16 Pro Max and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. First, in your iPhone, open Contacts app, tap arrow button on top left. Now tap and hold on all contacts and tap export. Tap blue tick sign on top right. Now tap AirDrop. Take your Android phone and from quick settings panel turn on quick share. You will see your Android phone name on AirDrop device list. Select your Android phone and tap accept on quick share. Tap open when file received and select your device. Open quick settings panel and you will see finished importing vCard. Tap on that and you will see all contacts transferred. So these are the steps to transfer all iPhone contacts to Android phone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.